How do you recommend teachers find a balance between pacing guides and standards and the more open-ended and joyful mathematics?
So it's impossible. No, just joking. So one of the things that's really helped me is when we start looking at pacing guides and we start looking at curriculum maps and we start looking at standards and we start looking at resources, all of it can seem very disjointed because each one of them wants you to kind of see something through a different lens. So one of the things that has helped me out tremendously along the journey is to not look at standards as individual nodes of information, but really trying to find out where, not at the granular level, but really trying to make connections at the 60,000-foot level. So when you zoom back out and you look at the standards and you look at the curriculum and you look at the resources, maybe you begin to see that some of these resources don't align to the standards. So not bringing them in. For me, it becomes being a wise consumer of the resources that we're putting in front of students. And then that standards and curriculum can kind of align, remembering that the standards kind of are the curriculum. That's what we should be teaching towards, that end goal. One of the things I think about is with the implementation of the Common Core standards is simplifying fractions. And it's no longer a standard, but yet so many of the resources that we have in third, fourth, and fifth grade, and even simplifying radicals in middle school, simplifying isn't a standard, but yet so many of our resources don't align to the curricula. So give yourself that opportunity to step out and look at it from a bigger picture. Like what's happening before kids come to me, what's happening in that grade level, and then what happens after.
Absolutely. I like that zoom out and get a bigger picture of what we're doing. All right.